In 2026, millions of people will walk into car showrooms feeling confident. They will look at shiny paint, big screens, futuristic designs, and smooth test drives. And they will believe they are making the right decision. But months later, many of them will feel something else: regret. Not because the car is slow, not because it looks bad, but because reality after purchase is very different from the excitement before it. The real mistakes in 2026 are not obvious at first. They show up slowly. Through unexpected costs, through falling resale value, through technology that suddenly feels old. And by the end of this video, you will clearly understand which cars are quietly becoming regrets for many buyers. Buying a car used to be simple. You checked the brand, you checked mileage. You checked comfort, but in 2026, the rules are completely different. Cars are no longer just machines, they are rolling computers. They depend on software, batteries, updates, and long-term support. Electric vehicles are growing fast, petrol cars are slowly fading. And resale value is more unpredictable than ever. One wrong decision today can lock you into years of frustration tomorrow. And most buyers do not realize this until it is too late. The biggest problem is not choosing the wrong brand. It is choosing the wrong type of car at the wrong moment in time. These cars look perfect on launch day: bright lights, big promises. Massive attention on social media. Early buyers feel special. They feel ahead of everyone else, but the truth is very different. First-generation models often come with hidden problems, software bugs, build quality issues, unexpected recalls. Within a short time, improved versions appear. Prices drop, and resale value falls faster than people expect. What looked like a smart decision suddenly feels rushed. And regret slowly replaces excitement. Electric cars feel like the future, quiet, smooth, efficient. In 2026, many buyers choose EVs to save on fuel costs. And at first, everything feels perfect, but over time, reality appears. Battery health begins to decline, range slowly reduces. Charging feels less convenient, and then comes the biggest shock. Battery replacement cost. For many owners, that moment defines regret. They realize the savings they expected never truly existed. And resale value drops the moment battery health becomes a concern. In 2026, this is one of the most expensive mistakes buyers make without realizing it early. Another major regret comes from buying a car just because it is affordable. Low price creates comfort, it feels safe, it feels smart. But in 2026, cheap often means compromised, outdated technology, lower safety standards, weak resale demand. As time passes, repair costs rise. Maintenance becomes frequent, and selling the car becomes difficult. The money saved at purchase slowly disappears, and owners realize the cheapest option was the most expensive one. Many buyers in 2026 choose cars based on features: big screens, ambient lighting, digital displays, but features age quickly. Software becomes outdated faster than hardware. When updates stop, frustration begins. The car feels old even if it is not. Resale value drops, and what once felt premium becomes ordinary. This regret is silent, but it stays for a long time. By 2026, the biggest regret is not buying a slow car. It's not buying the wrong brand, and it's definitely not missing out on one feature. The real regret comes when a car loses value faster than you expected, when its technology feels outdated before it should, and when reliability slowly disappears while costs keep rising. That is when people realize the mistake wasn't the car itself. It was the decision behind it. A car should simplify your life. It should protect your money, and it should still make sense years after the excitement fades. In my next video, I'll show you the cars that actually make sense in 2026. Cars that hold value, cars that age well, and cars people don't regret buying. So if this video helped you think differently, make sure to like it. It really helps the channel grow. Share it with someone who's planning to buy a car soon. And subscribe because upcoming videos will help you avoid expensive mistakes before they happen. Until then, buy smart, not fast.